Stay until the end because the last fact will really surprise you. Did you know that a sloth moves at only about 0.2 kilometers per hour? It is the slowest animal in the world. Sloths live in the canopy of tropical forests of Central and South America. You can find them in the Amazon, Colombia, Costa Rica, and Panama, among others. Their favorite foods are leaves, shoots, and fruits. They digest them very slowly. This process can take up to several days. A sloth can sleep from 15 to 20 hours a day. He is a true master of relaxation. Interestingly, algae and insects live in its fur. They give the fur a greenish tint that helps with camouflage. He comes down to the ground only once a week to defecate. This is when it is most vulnerable to attack by predators. The natural enemies of sloths are eagles, jaguars, and snakes. Due to their slow movements, they often go unnoticed. There are two main species, two-toed and three-toed sloths. They differ, among other things, in the appearance of their muzzle and the length of their limbs. They cannot walk on land. They move by dragging their body along the ground. But in the water, they are surprisingly agile and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. Finally, if you enjoyed this dose of nature curiosities, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This way, you won't miss out on more amazing stories from the animal world.